Welcome to ITK Study Path. This is SBK. Last video discussed how to execute procedures, and one procedure we create add two numbers inside the procedures. So this is the last examples, guys. Okay. Enter asking to the user, take the input from the users and calculate inside the database. Just one time send the query into the database, then database will execute procedures. Database will execute the procedures and gather the result and back to the Java application. This is our total example. This is our try with resources and try with resources and without try with resources, both the way I have shown you. I have discussed with you guys only two ways. First with a try with resources and another without try with resources. And also I show without try and quest. Both the three ways procedures we have discussed with by using throws keyword and with the try with resources. Okay, this is the last class example. This is the procedure, last class procedures we created, and this is the example with the try. This is the example for try with resources. Okay, and this is the last class created procedures. What is the procedure? User authenticate. Procedure is authenticate. Just let's try our SQL database. SQL plus. Also, I will use MongoDB with this JDBC, how to connect with the MongoDB and all these things I will discuss. Okay, how to insert record and how to insert image, photos, all these things one by one. I will discuss same procedure. I will discuss in a MongoDB. Okay, don't worry, guys. As soon as possible. To describe what is the user authenticate or ticket. Let's see. Yes, username is there, password is there, status is there. Okay. If you those are missed last class, just go and watch the YouTube. Just go and watch the video, last class video, so we will get clarity how to create procedure. So now in this video, I will not create procedure directly. I am going to development part. First, I will show you without try with resources. After that, I will show you with try with resources, guys. Anyone having doubt, just ask me on my, like, where you can ask me, my Telegram channel also you can ask me now. Otherwise, comment in the comment box, I will give answer to you. Okay, guys. So now go our development part. So first check the user, like I want to create one class. Otherwise, close this classes, not required. Freshly class I will create. User authentication, close all. I will create one class user authentication. Here on class user authentication. Main method required. So click and finish. Just first prepare the query. We follow full coding convention, guys, here also. In this type, first we prepare query like callable statement, static, final. If we know static and final, so we will get clarity very easily. This is the very easy. If you know the core Java is the very well, if you are strong in a core Java, then you can understand this line. It's easily. Static means a single copy A single copy shared with a multiple project. This is the meaning of static. A final, it means no one can change the query. No one can change this statement. That's it. What is that? Call procedure. Just like call, otherwise call procedure. Call underscore procedure equals to how to call procedure. How to call procedure? By using floor bracket. Inside the floor bracket, call is the name, call is the keyword, and passing the procedure name. What is our procedure name? User underscore authenticate, passing the parameter. How many parameter we pass in the procedure? 3 parameter. First is the username, user password, and result in type, and one is the out type parameter. Those who missed last class, please go and watch. Then this class is beneficial for you guys. Please, this is my humble request to you guys. Really, you never think here, if you're watching this series, you are not wasting your time here. You are utilizing your time. Okay, guys, just believe on my talk, believe on my word. That's it. If you do practical daily, okay, revise one more time class, read the class notes, that it's okay. Do the practical. If you have any, still you have any doubt, just comment. I will give an answer. If you are unable to comment, just mail me. My mail also, I shared the mail on the previous classes. So now come into that, asking to the user, like read the input. Suppose not required. Scanner SC equals to, suppose first we declared some variables, connection con equals to null, and the callable statement is, pass the callable statement CST equals to null. And one more thing, scanner is required. Scanner SC equals to new scanner. I am asking to the user, hey user, enter the value. Okay. System.in. That's it. And control shift plus O. It means import the all packages. Which package we required. Okay. Connection is important. This one is important, guys. So now use try catch. Here you can handle what is the child exception is SQL exception, ESC, child exception. Yes. Hierarchy is the important. First to handle child exception, then handle parent exception. First subclass exception, then superclass exception. Okay. Print stack test method is there. Just and catch exception. This is the parent class exception. E equals to E dot. This is the parent class. Okay. Now simple. Here in the try and catch, just ask to the user first, check if SC not equals to null. If we not equals to null, it means scanner object is related to asking to the user value. So yes out, enter, what is the username? Username. Okay. Username, and in the same line, just remove the ln, and int, not a string uname, which means uname equals to sc dot next is the method. Next is the method, guys. So yes out, and enter password. And here we perform the authentication. Yeah, authentication, just user wrong on a password. W word password. Okay, pass is good, not equal password. Pass is good. Sc dot next is the method. Not T. That's it. Now ready value is the ready to, so better to declare this as a global. This is the local variable up to the scope inside this. If you're trying to access this string variable outside, but it will give a error. Okay, here it won't be work. It will not work outside of the block. So better to declare outside of the block. Okay, control X. Here you can declare control V, just null, divide the comma, and one more thing, and the pass is there. That's it. Okay, here you can pass union. That's it. Local variable initialize the automatically by default value it will initialize. Compiler will initialize default. That's it. Now our asking to the user is completion. Now establish the connections. Establish the connection. How to establish connection? On equals to driver manager dot get connection. The method. This is method is the which type? Static method. In the initial days, I have discussed all this thing. What is driver manager? Driver manager is the class, and get connection is the method. How get connection? Inside the get connection is the method. That method will return connection to the driver manager, and driver manager to return to the connection class. So, okay, that thing I have discussed in last sessions. Okay, like 2 and 3 sessions, I think. Fifth or fourth session I have discussed. Okay, so now here you can URL and username, just pass un, comma, and here is the pass, it means pass pwd. Pwd, it means password. Pwd, password. Okay. Now I'm just declaring all this thing in the globally. String URL equals to JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost host colon 1521 at the rate ORC. That's it. Now string un equals to username. In my database username is system, and string and password pwd equals to nothing but the same system. That's it. Now it's ready. Our connection is the ready, guys. Okay. Now next thing, the create callable statement. The create callable statement. Now create callable statement. Statement object, guys. So how we already create callable statement reference value. So simple as CST equals to con dot prepare call. Prepare call is the method. Just pass the call procedure. Just call the procedure. Now, now, if check first, you can check your callable statement not equals to null. If it is not equals to null, then you can set the variable. First set, then register the out type parameter. Okay, after that I will just if CST not equals to null, it means not equals to null. So CST dot set string, first is set string, first string is okay. First is comma username. What is that? Username. You name. That's it. Simple. Set successfully. CST dot set string like password. What is that password? Parameter 2 password. Pass is that. Okay, that's it. You name, why it's you name giving error, guys? Hmm? Boy. The local variable name may not be have been initialized. Hmm. Uh, so not initialize, just initialize null value. Okay, just initialize null value. Good. Error will be removed, not issue. And next thing is register. Register the out type parameter. First check before the registering. Register, register out type, out parameter, with the JDBC types. With JDBC types. So how if CST not equals to null, then CST dot register is the method register out parameter passing the index number is third. And what is the types dot what are the types of third parameter? Varchar or integer? Varchar, guys, varchar. I will check. Okay, I will check. No, varchar. That's it. Let's see. In our database side, in our data side, out is which type? Var type. Both the variables are var types. So your registration is completed here. Here you just set the value, to in parameter, parameter. Now your registration is complete. Register out type parameter is complete, and all this is complete. Now call the PLSQL procedure. So how call PLSQL? Call means execute. Execute means procedure. So simple. To do one thing. If first check CST not equals to null. If CST not equals to null, then CST dot execute. Then we should execute CST dot execute. Then a compiler execute the CST callable statement. Now execute the callable statement. After executing callable statement, you gather the result. So how you gather the result? In the suppose string status. What is the status? Status equals to null. Just check it. Null. Okay, if CST not equals to null, suppose CST is equals to not equals to null, just here provide the one thing. What is the thing? The status. What is the output? Come from the parameter 3? Just regular CST dot get string third string parameter pass the index number is 3. That's it. Now the result will store inside the status variable. Now simple, you can print here. I'm writing some comment, guys. What is that? Get status or valid or invalid, it's depends on our inputs param. That's it. Now next is s out. Simple, print the status. Status. What is the status? Just print the status and try is closed. Okay, guys. Now the program is ready for the execution. Okay. Now you can close the connection inside this by using try and catch. One more finally block, you can use it. Okay. Yeah, you can use finally block. Otherwise, you can use finally block. Inside the finally block, use try and catch. Try and catch. What is the exception? Exception e dot print status method is there. Just first check if connection not equals to null, not equals to null, then it should be close, con dot close. Now same here, performing for the verbal statement. Like scanner also, you can same thing you can do. On instead of on pass the what is that? Scanner SC. Okay, close the SC. That's it. Final block is this finally block. It means if you are getting error exception, it doesn't matter, but it will execute. Definitely, it will execute. Okay. This is the beauty. Now, when you use try with resources, are not required to declare explicitly close operation. Okay. Try with resources automatically close the open resources. Okay. So now let's try. Let's run our application. Finger crossed, guys. So now enter username. Let's check any user are there inside our table. Let's check it out. First, select start from what is the table name user, I think. So user one, na? User one. User one. Yes. Rama and Rama, Ramesh and Ram is there. Just enter Rama, Rama and Rama. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, invalid user, Rama and Rama is not there. Rama is Rama, not there. It is there, yes. Okay, authentication, one minute, I'm just removing this. Okay, now again run, control F11, Y, Rama and Rama. Valid user, case sensitive is there, valid user. Guys, everyone getting a point or not? Okay, now can I go take a screenshot, guys, for you? Control M and we output. Okay, if you want to check another user also, control F11 again run the application. And suppose second user is Ramesh and Ram. Username is Ramesh and Ram is the password. User valid. If you enter wrong, suppose control F11. If you enter wrong Ramesh and instead of Ramesh providing Raja, let's see. Invalid user. But this operation performing where? Here we provide any query? No, we just call procedure inside the database. This process, where is the procedure? This procedure will executing. This procedure will executing continuously when we pass the query. Call the procedures, then internally database will execute this procedures, guys. Simple. I want to paste example of authentication. User. User. Authentication. That's it. So now, okay, that's good. Just providing this. Copy this. After that, I will teach you try with resources. Okay, good. After that, pasted to be. I'm really try with resources. Also, sorry, I used one thing. What is that? Finally, blog also. I will share this document. All these documents, I will share it, guys. I will highlight some points. Okay. I am highlighting some points. I am highlighting some points. What is the point? Important point is this one is the register. This one is important, and this one is the regular code is there. Like this is the regular code, not required to do. This is for the regular code. Okay, this is the for the connections and resources. Okay, guys. So now our next target is try with resources. Now next target is our try with resources. Copy this. Copy this and paste it here. Example of authentication user with try with resources. Try with resources. Resources. I don't want the word to tell it. It's just simple. Okay, user try with resources. That's it. Okay. Now, how I will show you this. Then after that, I will show you. After this example, just copy and paste. I will some modification is required. That's it. And after that, how to create functions. One session or two session also I will take on this particular thing. Okay. Just close this. Not required. Control C and V. User authentication with try with resources. Try with resources. Okay. Now let's see. What is the requirement first? First is just simple. Try with resources. Just create one thing. What is that? What is that, guys? Just declare this one with the try. This one is only within the try. So now here, provide the semicolon. Provide the try. Okay, with the resources. Okay. So try with the resources. Here you declare scanner. Here you declare scanner. Scanner SC equals to new scanner. Now system dot in. Now here you can remove scanner class where you declared here. You remove this, not required, just copy this. Here you can declare try and with resources. Try with resources and declare connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection. Same thing. Get connection inside the URL and comma and inside the URL comma. What is that? Comma. Next thing is URL and uname comma PWD. That's it. semicolon, one more resources are required, guys. What is the resource? What is the resource, guys? Just this one for this. Try with resource. Comma, semicolon, provide the second. Second is nothing but what is that? Callable statement. Just to clear, callable statement. CST equals to con dot prepare call. Prepare call inside the call the procedure. Provide this like just delete like that. Okay. So now remove these two statement in upside not required here. Now where we will get error, where we are getting error. Anyway, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, here. Why? Because it's asking con. So now when we use try with resources, so not required to use finally block. Just this one is finally up to that. Just remove this finally block. That's it. Control S. Let's check it out where you will get error. Con equals to try with the resources. If you're using this like, so it's not finding the try with the resources one cannot be assigned. Why not assigned, guys? On why? Okay. On the driver manager we used already, not required. This one is also used to here. Control X. So you can pass upside and control X. You can pause here. Okay, this one. Now let's see, check it out. I want to insert one new record. Okay, insert into user one values like instead of Rohit, pass the Rohit, and password is like I tricked password is. Now record is inserted, perform comment operation. Now let's see. Record is inserted or not. Record is the Rohit. I want to check with the Rohit. Rohit is the valid user or not. Let's check it out. Control F11. Pass the Rohit and the user like something Raja. Let's see. This is the invalid user, right? I want to run one more time. Rohit, not Rohit. This time we entered wrong username and I will enter right password. Let's see what is the output. What is the output, guys? Invalid user. Let's check it out. Now I will provide both the correct Rohit and I trick with the past. It will check valid user. This output also come from database. So this is the total part, guys. This is the total part. Try with resources also. I have shown you. I have shown you all the try with resources. Both the example, I think 2 to 5 sessions I have taken, guys. So it is more than enough, more than sufficient. I hope those are follow these videos. Guys, don't worry. This is the totally free, not anything. I will not charge anything. In the future also. This is my commitment. Okay, guys. With you. I will never charge in this channel with a single paisa to you guys. I know how much knowledge I will share you free of cost. I have knowledge. Said that I think this will YouTube is a good platform. That's it. Now I am sharing this example. Control A, C. Just V and Control A and bold it. That's it. Now, this is the try with resources. only up to this. I'm highlighting one more. This one is not good, no? This one is try with the resources. Try with resources. Resources. And here is also, this one is also. Try with resources. Try with resources. Resources. That's it. Now this is a simple modification. Now come into the picture. Now come how to create procedures. How to create functions. How to create function. Let's see. How to create function? Anyone know? After the function, the cursors concept are there. I will discuss. But first we learn how to create function. Function is nothing but just simple. Just simple. Function is the simple part. Suppose in and out, same thing is there. But function is return type is also there. Okay. Suppose we have employee. Suppose we have employee, and I want to average salary of two employees. Average salary of two employees. Okay. Average salary of two employees. I want to get average salary of two employees. So how to write function? How to write function? How to write? Otherwise, discuss tomorrow. Next session. Huh? How to write functions? Tell me, guys. So write down some points. I will tell you. Okay. Not tomorrow. Just the theory part. Today we will discuss and practical tomorrow. How to create? How to create function? Function in Oracle database. Oracle database. That's it. How to write? How to create? Simple. It's very simple. Yeah, simple. Now write down. Write down. Create or replace. Create or replace. This is syntax now, guys. This is the like dummy syntax I am giving to you. Create or replace. Replace function. Create or replace function. Same as the procedure, guys. Function and function name. Here is f name. F meaning function underscore name. Pass the name. Here the parameter. Parameter. Okay. Parameter. And here you use return. Here use a return type. Return is keyword and return type is return type is that's it is. Here you can declare variable semicolon and then you can begin. Inside the procedure we use as then you can declare variable. Now in the function part here first return the statement, then you can declare variable, then here you can write a statement, statement that's it, then end. This is the prototype of creating procedures. Are you understanding, guys? Are you getting my point, guys? So now, tomorrow onwards, I will teach all these things about the functions, how to create and that the database. So thank you for watching. We will meet next video with the function and the very depth knowledge I will provide to you. Like same thing, the callable statement, like procedures. Now we are in the like 32, like 56 season, I think so. Okay. It will take time. Okay, slowly we will learn all this thing. Don't worry.